If I told you thousands of years before telescopes, satellites, or MRI machines, people were already describing ideas that sound surprisingly scientific. Coincidence? Symbolism? Or did our ancestors understand nature in a way we still don't fully appreciate? Today we are not trying to prove mythology with science, and we are not trying to prove science with mythology either. We are simply exploring fascinating similarities that make you wonder what if. I am Aarti and you are watching Frozen Pine. Let me begin. Many cultures describe the universe beginning from a cosmic egg. In Hindu mythology, it calls Hiryangarbha, the golden womb. Everything existed inside it. Then suddenly creation began. Now compare that with modern cosmology. Science says the universe started from an incredibly hot, dense state nearly 13.8 billion years ago, expanding rapidly in what we call the Big Bang. Did mythology predict the Big Bang? No. But both describe something extraordinary. Everything emerging from one origin. Maybe myths weren't trying to explain physics. Maybe they were explaining existence through symbols. According to Hindu scripts, one day of Brahma's lasts 4.32 billion years. Surprisingly, the earth itself is around 4.54 billion years old. Is that exact? Not quite. But considering these numbers were imagined thousands of years ago, it's fascinating. Ancient civilization often thought in gigantic time scales. Long before modern geology proved Earth wasn't just a few thousand years old. Why is Lord Shiva always shown dancing? Because this isn't just a dance, it's called the Tandava, the dance of creation, preservation, and destruction. Modern physics tells us something similar. Nothing in the universe is truly still. Atoms vibrate, stars burn, stars explode, and galaxies collide. Everything exists in a continuation mode. Of course, Shiva isn't literally describing quantum physics, but the symbolism beautifully matches nature's endless cycles. When Shiva opens his third eye, illusion appears, truth becomes visible. Science also has its own third eye. Microscopes reveal invisible bacteria. Telescopes reveal distant galaxies. X-ray reveals broken bones. MRI machines reveals the brain. Technology doesn't create reality. It simply lets us see what was already there, just like the symbolic third eye of Lord Shiva. So, did mythology secretly know modern science? Probably not in the way social media claims. But mythology doesn't have to be scientifically accurate to be meaningful. It captures patterns, questions, and ideas that humans have wondered about for thousands of years. Science asked, how does the universe work? Mythology asks, why does it exist? And maybe both are different paths leading towards the same curiosity. If you enjoyed this journey where science meets mythology, subscribe to Frozen Pine. I am Aarti and I will see you in the next mystery.